Hello friends, this is Gyanen and today I am going to tell you the reality of this life. Guys, though I live in village area but I have a bunch of things to tell you here because I can see in this era people are doing what they want but you should aware of this thing. Guys, money, approach, your your status are your enemy. They take you far from humanity, from your family, from relation, from love. Let me tell you how. Because when you show your attitude, when you become rich, when you have money, when you have approach, so you are totally changed. Even you start hating people who are surrounded you. Your mindset always like your mindset gets changed. It happens, guys. So why it happens, let me tell you guys. The thing is that when we don't have money, suppose right now I don't have money, I don't have approach, I don't have any kind of status, but I have humanity. I talk to people, I love people, I feel pity on people. Why? Because this time I don't have any enemy. But I know people who have money, who have approach, who have big status. They are so far from love, humanity, tradition, culture. Why? Because now they have got their enemy. These things are not letting them to realize that where were you earlier. These things, they are pushing this kind of people go ahead, and now they are blind. So guys, if you have money, if you have approach, if you have status, so guys, it doesn't mean that you are going to change yourself because now I have money, so I will not talk to you because you don't deserve. It happens, we start uh, thinking about discrimination, that okay, your status is different, my status is different. So guys, having money, having approach, having status is not good thing. Of course it's amazing that now you have money, so you can do something for others as well, not only for you. But instead of this thing, they start thinking something else, because this thing make like these things make you like blind or something. What? Because you have money, so don't let your money overpower you. You have to handle your money, your status, your approach. Most of the people, they are totally overpowered by their money and approach and this thing. They it's like they are not any common person anymore. Now they are something else, but they forgot that that this life is tiny. This is not real life which we are living here. Here we are giving exam that okay, whether you deserve for that genuine life or not. That is why here you get opportunity to like uh, make yourself understand, maybe whether like maybe God wants you to become something, a good person, but you, instead of doing so, you start doing something bad when you get power. So if you have power, so use this power for a good thing. Suppose now I have money, so of course I can spend lots of money for me, but what about other human? They are also like you. You all are equal, we all are equal. See, we have same blood and body and all the thing. If I have seen people that they can hurt other, but they can't hurt themselves. Can you cut your finger? No, because you know If I cut my finger, so I feel pain. So think this thing for others, guys. If you are going to hurt them, so of course they feel pain like you. Here you are not good, they are not good. But the thing is that you forget. You, I don't know why you become blind or something when you get power and money and this thing. So many people are so fortunate, they become something else. They get like they achieve something. Maybe when a person becomes doctor, when a person becomes a police officer, when a person becomes lawyer. So why they become? God gives you chance to do something good thing, so that God can think about you that okay, they are deserved to go to real life. Otherwise they check you whether after getting this power what you do, and you do according to you, you don't do good thing. See, being a police officer, you should help people, like being their friends, their mom, their dad, their relative. Don't scare them, and you start showing your power that yes, I'm a police officer. So just think that if you are a police officer, so you are not a police officer here forever. It means you haven't gone, you haven't, uh, you haven't become a god here. Life is so tiny, guys. Time has power. Time is not like you. Time knows everything, but it doesn't show their status and their power. Otherwise, it can also show you, but you don't deserve. That is why time doesn't speak anything. It works for him. He doesn't listen to anyone. So guys, if you are a doctor, so yeah, of course you can earn money, you can show your power. It's a good thing that you have got, you have become something by the grace of God. So if God can give this opportunity, so it can, God can snatch this opportunity from you. Today you are laughing, today you are over the moon that yes, I have this, I have that. But think about time. Take care of yourself, because yes, time doesn't stop for anyone. Today you are something else, and you never know what would be next. Time can snatch your money, time can give you money. So now you got chance to do something for needy people. If you are a doctor, so help them. You have become a doctor, okay, no, not all the time, but sometime feel pity, they are also human. You are not a god here. Some of the doctor think that I'm a god. Now I became a doctor, so I'm a god. Okay, let them die, let them stand in the queue, I don't care. Don't do so, guys. So being a doctor, of course you should help. Being a policeman, you should protect people. Being a lawyer, you have to talk about needy people. This thing will take you to your next real life. Otherwise the life which you are living here, nothing is decided. Anyone can go anytime. So here we are like we are here because we are facing exam, and whoever passes his exam will go to next life, where he will live his life uh, according to God, of course. Because if you have arrogance, if you are careless, so you don't deserve to go there. First thing first, reduce your this thing, bad activities. Take out all rubbish things from your mind, from you, and become a good soul. This is humanity. We are human. We should not fight one another, we should not hurt one another. We are same. Because let me tell you one example, guys. In my childhood, some of the people were like us. They that time nobody had lots of money, so we were equal. There was no discrimination among us. But as soon as they became rich, they forgot humanity, they forgot relation, they forgot all kind of thing. Now they are living their life according to them, and they think that after getting this opportunity, after this thing, after getting this thing, now I am a god. Okay, you think yourself God because you are so far from God. Why we feel pity for others? Because we are so close to God. God doesn't give this mindset to everyone, because if uh, because you can't understand God. That is why you are so far. That is why you are, consider yourself God. So guys, devote yourself to God and help as much as you can, because this thing is, you have to earn this thing, not money. And this thing, money is not for money is not with you forever, but this thing will be with you forever. So guys, that is all I wanted to tell you. Now I have done with it. My purpose was to practice in English, so that is why now I have done this practice. So guys, I hope you must have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe. So in order to practice in English, you can speak anything. You can put your opinion uh, about your village, about your government, about anything. You can talk. So guys, thank you so much guys. Bye.